ओम यद विद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। अयम पट एतत्तंतुनिष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी पटत्वात् पटांतरवत्। दिस इज दी अनुमानम मिथ्यात्वे प्रमाणम। देन वी सॉ द श्लोक अंशिनः स्वांशग अत्यंताभावस्य प्रतियोगिनः. Yesterday I mentioned amshinah pratyoginah as shashti vibhakti. It is not shashti, it is prathama bahuvachanam. Rupa is same, amshinah pratyoginah. Because it cannot be in shashti. I was wondering yesterday, prathama bahuvachanam. So all amshis, they are pratyogi in their amsha. Abhav pratyogi in their amsha. And the same anumanam you should apply for gunadishu also. Guna, kriya, everything. We were seeing Tippani number 1. See the 5th line from top. Tarkikanam, page number 99. Tarkikanam esha pranali drishtante sadhya hetvoor vyapaka vyapya bhavau grihitau chet. Sandigdha sadhya pakshe hetum drashtva sadhyam anumeyam. In one vakya, how the anumanam works is beautifully put. How Tarkikas do anumanam, their pranali. Pranali means their tradition is this. In Drishtanta, sadhya hetvoho vyapaka vyapya bhavau grihitau chet. In Drishtanta, sadhya and hetu, their vyapaka vyapya bhava. Means sadhya is vyapaka, hetu is vyapya, both are present in Drishtanta. This once it is grihita. Grihita means jnata. Once it is known, then in the sandigdha sadhya paksha, hetum drishtva, when you see the hetu, you can do sadhya anumanam, sadhyam anumeyam. Vyapyaropena vyapaka aropastarkaha iti tesham abhimanaha. And their abhimana is, they will, mean they think in this way, that we will do tarka. Vyapya aropena vyapaka aropaha. So this is the lakshana of tarka. In tarka sangraha you have seen. Vyapya aropa they will do. So if somebody will say dhumo astu vannirmastu, dhumo vanni vyabhichari syat. So dhuma is there, vanni is not there. Means there is vyabhichara. So then they will do tarka. Yadi vannir na syat, tarhi dhumopi na syat. This is the tarka. Vyapya is vanni abhava. Vanni abhava aropa they will do. If there was no vanni is there, they know. But they will do aropa. If there was no vanni, dhumo api na syat. Dhumo have been there. Prove their anumanam. This is the way of Tarkikas. And by this, tenacha dhumad agnimatvam anumite. By this kind of anumanam and this tarka, they will do Agni Anumiti through Dhuma, not Agni, Agnimatvam, Agnimatva in Parvata. Agnimat, Agniman will be Parvata. According to Vedanta, it is only Agni part through Anumana, because Parvata is Pratyaksha. But they will say Parvato Animan is the Anumana. You remember this point? Do you don't recollect this point earlier? Nyaya Paksha says Parvato Vanniman is Anumanam. Vedanta says only Vanni. Parvato Vanniman, in that only Vanni is known through Anumanam, not Parvata. Parvata is Pratyaksha.
Pratyaksha.
तेन च धूमाद अग्निमत्वम अनुमिते तेषाम एव प्रक्रियया. Then what is the next word?
Patantare.
It should be patantare. Wherever they have given patha now, it is all patha. Tesham eva prakriyaya patantare. दृष्टान्ते पटत्व रूप हेतु हो एतत्तंतुनिष्ठ अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगित्व रूपस्य साध्यस्य. So see all members of the Anumana. Patantara is Drishtanta. Patatva is the Hetu. Patatva Rupa Hetu. So Drishtanta is there, Hetu is there. What is the Sadhya? Etat Tantunishta Atyanta Bhava Pratiyogitva Rupasya Sadhyasya. This is the Sadhya. And between Sadhya and Sadhaka, what is the Sambandha? Vyapya Vyapaka Sambandha. So, what is Vyapaka? New students. Between Sadhya and Hetu, what is Vyapaka?
Sadhya.
Sadhya is Vyapaka, correct. Sadhya is Vyapaka. Hetu is Vyapya. So Vyapya Vyapaka Bhava is there between Sadhya and Hetu. Bhavena Pratibadhayor Upalabdhau. Pratibadhayoho. Sadhya and Hetu, they are Pratibadha, means they are associated with each other by Vyapya Vyapaka Bhava. And when they are Pakshe Upalabdhau or Drishtante Upalabdhau, first, Pahle in Drishtante Upalabdhau. So that Drishtante is there in the third line from the bottom, that Drishtante Patatva Rupa Hetoho Etatantuniष्ठ Sadhyasya च Vyapya Vyapak Bhavena Pratibadhayoho Upalabdhau Satyam. When they are Upalabdha, then Pakshe cha Asmin Pate. Now Paksha is Ayam Pataha, Asmin Pataha. So Pakshe Saptami Asmin Pate Sadhya Sandehe Api. Even when Sadhya Sandigdha is there. Patatva Rupasya, not Patatva, Patatva. How beautifully in simple Sanskrit whole thing is put. How to do Anumana. Pate Sadhya Sandehe Api. Even when Sandigdha Sadhya is there, Patatva Rupa Hetu is Vidyamana. पटत्व रूपस्य हेतोः हेतोर विद्यमानत्वात्. हेतु is विद्यमान and therefore अनुमानेन तत्सिद्धौ को विरोधः. Then अनुमानेन we can do पट अत्यंताभाव सिद्धि. को विरोधः तार्किकाणां घटादि मिथ्यात्वे इति भावः. So Tarkikas have this so much pride that we can do anumanam. We'll have paksha, sadhya, this, that. Their anumanam is used to show jagat mithyatva, which they don't want. And the problem is, in this anumanam, they are not able to show any defect. They will do these, that, so many things. Anumanam is clear. I mean, there is no hetu abhasa, there are no doshas. Some objections we already discussed, and they may say some more things that it is this way, that way, but anumanam is very spashta. So then, tat siddhau, ko virodha tarkikanam. How can tarkikas have any virodha in ghatadi mithyatve, in establishing vyavaharik jagat as mithya? Another question can come. You see, more you think on this anumanam, you can have a question. Somebody will say, you are doing pata atyanta bhava siddhi, correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
Yes, Swami.
And hetu is patatvam. If there is pata atyanta bhava, how there can be patatvam? Because you have to show sadhya is there. In pata, patatva is there. Then you say, using that patatva hetu, we will prove patasya atyanta bhava. If pata atyanta bhava is there, how patatva will be there? Means I am just creating some purva paksha so that we can think. To memorize anumanam is very good, is nice to understand first. But so many objections can be there. So I am not going to answer that question. You can think about it. Some more. One Purva Paksha we saw that Pratyakshena Pata is there. Again it is coming. See, in the, so this Prushtha is complete. Next. In Tika. Nanu Uktam Mithyatva Anumanam Sanghata Ityadi Pratyaksha Badhitam Iti Ashankya Pariharati. This Anumanam is Pratyaksha Badhitam, Pratyakshena Badhitam. What is the Pratyaksha? Sanghata. Ghato asti. Sanghata means Ghata is there. And you are saying Ghata is not there. Ghata is Mithya. Ghatasya Atyanta Bhava. See, Mithya means when you say it's Atyanta Bhava, they will have their blood boiling. Because when somebody proves to you that whatever you have been thinking for last 700 years as your darshana is all false. I'm just giving 700 more probably. Chit Sukhacharya ji and Khandankar. Chit Sukhacharya ji came around 10th century. 10th, 11th century. Khandankar right after that, in the same century probably. And they come and they have done total Khandana of Nyaya. Means Bhagavan Bhashyakar only did this much Khandanam, that he also did all Khandanam, but more in general that many Atmas is not correct and like that. These acharyas, later acharyas, every pada, whatever Nyaya has used, every pada they have done khandana. So you imagine how those Nayayikas would feel when they would think of Chit Sukhacharya ji and Khandanaka. So this Pratyaksha Bhada, he will say, Ghata is there and you are saying Ghata is Atyanta Bhava of Ghata. Iti Ashanka Pariharati in Mulam. Nacha Ghatader Mithyatve San Ghata iti Pratyakshana Bhada. Ghatadehe Mithyatve, if Ghata is Mithya, then San Ghata, that Pratyaksha Jnanam will not do Badha of Ghata Mithyatva. Further in Mulam, Adhisthana Brahma Sattayas Tatra Vishayataya Ghatadehe Satyatva Asiddhehe. Ghatade Adhisthana Brahma Sattaya Adhisthana Brahma Satta Vishayataya Tatra Vishayataya Ghatadehe Satyatva. Satyatva Asiddhe. What he is saying is, in San Ghata, Ghata part is there and Sat is there. The Sat is the Adhisthana Brahma Satta. In your Pratyaksha Jnanam, San Ghata, Adhisthana Brahma Satta Jnanam is Pratyaksha, not Ghata Pratyaksha. In San Ghata, you are having the Adhisthana Brahma Satta Jnanam, not Ghata Jnanam. Ghata is Mithya, because in Dridrishya Viveka, you studied the shloka. If you can remember and tell me the shloka before I tell.
अस्ति भाति प्रियं रूपं नाम चेत्यंश पञ्चकम् आद्यत्रयं ब्रह्म रूपं ततोद्वयं जगद्रूपम्
Jagat Rupam Tatodvayam. Asti Bhati Priyam Rupam Nama Chetyamsha Panchakam. Asti Bhati Priyam Rupa Nama. This shloka will come in Vedanta Paribhasha also later. Adyatrayam Brahma Rupam. So when you say Asti, Asti belongs to Brahma. Nama Rupa is Mithya. So Ghata part is Jagat, Jagat part is Mithya. Adhisthana Brahma Sattayaha Tatra Vishayataya. The Vishaya of Pratyaksha Jnanam is Adhisthana Brahma Satta. Vishayataya Ghatadehe Satyatva Asiddhehe. So Ghatadi is not Satya in Ghata San Pratyaksha Jnanam. In Ghata San Pratyaksha Jnanam, Brahma is Satya. Yad Vishaya Buddhi na Vyabhicharati Tat Sat. So this Sat Buddhi, in that there is no Vyabhichara. Then Sitika. Nanu. रूपादि हीनस्य ब्रह्मणश्चाक्षुषादि ज्ञान विषयत्वम अनुपपन्नम इति आशंक्य निषेधयति. Upapaksha will say, you are saying Brahma Jnanam is happening through Pratyaksha, through Chakshurindriya. But Brahma doesn't have Rupa. Rupadi Hinsya Brahmana. Brahma, who is devoid of Rupa, Chakshushadi Jnana Vishayatvam Anupapannam. How can you get Chakshushadi Vishaya Jnanam there? Anupapannam. Iti Ashankya Nishedayati. Nisheda is being done. न च निरूपस्य ब्रह्मणः कथं चाक्षुषादि ज्ञान विषयता इति वाच्यम्. Brahma is without rupa, nirupa. Nirupasya brahmana. Katham chakshushadi jnana vishayata. How it will become chakshusha jnana vishaya if there is no rupam. Iti nacha vachyam. Siddhanti says, this argument is your idea. That somebody which doesn't have rupa, its chakshusha pratyaksha cannot happen. This is you, Nayayikas have come out with this niyama. टीका निरूपस्य प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वं नास्ति इति नियमस्य व्यभिचारम् आह. प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वं नास्ति. निरूपस्य, that which doesn't have rupa, it will not become प्रत्यक्ष विषय. प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वं नास्ति इति नियम. In that there is व्यभिचार. This niyam is not valid. What is the व्यभिचारम? निरूपस्य रूपादेः प्रत्यक्ष विषयत्वात्. In Siddhanta Bindu, this portion will come. It is already there in Siddhanta Bindu. It is given by Vedanta Paribhasha Acharya. Nirupasya api rupadeः. Rupa has rupa.
No.
Rupa cannot have rupa. Rupa is nirupa. But rupa pratyaksha, chakshusha pratyaksha happens.
Yes.
Rupa chakshusha pratyaksha, rupatva chakshusha pratyaksha, rupa abhava chakshusha pratyaksha, they accept. So it is pratyaksha vishaya. So nirupasya rupadehe. Adehe means rupatva, rupa abhava. All of them, they become chakshusha pratyaksha. So if they can become chakshu pratyaksha, why can't Brahma become chakshu pratyaksha? न च निरूपस्य द्रव्यस्य चक्षुरादि अयोग्यत्वम् इति नियमः. There is no such niyama that nirupa dravya is chakshuradi ayogya or pratyaksha. Dravya without rupam cannot become pratyaksha. There is no such niyama. Tika vishesha niyamam ashankya pariharati. There is no such vishesha niyama. In other words, when we are seeing this jagat and when we are recognizing asti, 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 or in buddhi, when the pratyas are there, thoughts are there, and we understand bhati, bhati, jnanam. So that asti bhati is jnanam of Brahma alone. But this jnanam will not liberate you. This is jnanam of Brahma. But this jnanam by itself will not give liberation. Because what is missing?
I am Brahman.
That Sat, I am. This Chit, I am. In this way, I have to understand. So whatever is Sat in the Padartha, Hridiva Bahya Deshepi Yasmin Kasmischa Vastuni Samadhi Radhya Sanmatrat Namarupa Pradhakritihi. That is Bahya Drishyanuvidya Savikalpa Samadhi. And Antar Drishyanuvidya Savikalpa Samadhi is Kamadhyas Chittagaha Drishyaha Tatsakchitvena Chetanam Dhyayet Drishyanuvidyoyam Samadhi Savikalpakaha. So both I should understand. In Bahya Desha, that Sat is me. in Antardesha, that Chit I am. That is liberating knowledge. So this niyama parihara is done. And even if you accept this niyama, that nirupasya dravyasya chakshuradi ayogyatvam, that dravya which does not have rupa, then it is chakshuradi ayogya. Because you say nirupasya rupadehe. So rupa is not dravya, it is guna. So he said niyama is for dravya. Nirupasya dravyasya chakshuradi ayogyatvam. Siddhanti says, नियम शरीरस्य उक्त रूपत्वे अपि नास्ति अस्माकं क्षतिः इत्याह. नियम शरीर as it is given. Sharira means
Dravya.
huh?
Dravya.
Dravya. I can't hear. You have to tell clearly whatever. No, not
Dravya.
no.
I said Dravya.
Niyama sharira means lakshana. The lakshana of this niyama as it is described. This is called sharira. Niyama sharira is this. Nirupasya dravyasya chakshuradi ayogyatvam. This is called sharira of niyama. Is the paribhasha of niyama. Even if you accept the way it is given, ukta rupatve api, nasti asmakam kshati. Asmakam kshati nasti. We don't have any kshati. Why? In our mata, Brahma is not dravya. Manmate brahmano dravyatva siddhehe. In our mata, Brahma is not dravya. Your niyama is dravyasya chakshuradi ayogyatam. We don't accept Brahma as dravya. So then we don't have, this niyama doesn't apply to Brahma because this niyama applies to dravya. Brahma is not dravya. According to them, Atma is dravya. ननु कथम ब्रह्मणो द्रव्यत्वं नास्ति इति चेत् तत्र तल्लक्षणद्वय अननुगमात् इत्याह. Why do you say Brahma is not dravya? It looks like dravya. It sounds like dravya. Brahmano dravyatvam katham nasti, Purva Pakshi will ask. Siddhanti says, you tell me what is the lakshana of dravya. That lakshana doesn't go there in Brahma. The lakshana dvaya ananugamat. Two lakshanas of Brahma are two lakshanas of dravya. In Brahma, they don't apply. Ananugamat, their anugama is not there. First lakshana. What is the lakshana for dravya? Gunashrayatvam, dravyatvam. This is one lakshana. They have given, see, Gunashrayatvam va dravyatvam iti te abhimatam. So there which is, that which is Gunasya ashrayam is dravyam. Gunashrayatvam dravyatvam. Te abhimatam, one number tippani. Te तार्किकस्य तव तव तार्किकस्य अभिमतम गुणाश्रयत्वं द्रव्यत्वं. नहीं निर्गुणस्य ब्रह्मणो गुणाश्रयता. According to us, Brahma is nirguna. Nirguna Brahma is not ashraya of guna. So gunashrayatvam, this lakshana doesn't go in Brahma. Nirgunasya brahmano gunashrayata na. Tika. Nirgunasya sakshi cheta kevalo nirgunascha. इत्यादि श्रुत्या निर्गुणत्वेन बोधितस्य इत्यादि श्रुत्या by the Shvetashwata Shruti. How does the complete Shruti go?
एको देवः सर्वभूतेषु गूढः सर्वव्यापी सर्वभूतान्तरात्मा कर्माध्यक्षः सर्वभूताधिवासः साक्षी चेता केवलो निर्गुणश्च.
So in this, the Kevalo Nirgunasya Paramatma Brahma is Nirguna. So Nirgunatvena Bodhitasya Brahmanaha Gunashrayatvam Nasti. And Napi Samavai Karanata. And also, so Nahi Nirgunasya Brahmano Gunashrayata. Napi Samavai Karanata. And Brahma is also not Samavai Karana of Guna. Why? Samavaya Asiddhe. Samavaya itself is Asiddha in our mother. Astu va tika. Astu yatha kathanchit brahmanopi dravyatvam. Tathapi na dosha iti abhipetya. Okay, somehow even if it is dravya, still Vedanti says, even if you accept it as dravya somehow, still there is no problem. Astu va dravyatvam brahmanaha. Tathapi nirupasya kalasya iva. Kalasya iva. You have to add that matra. Kala is nirupa. And Kala has chakshushadi jnana vishayatvam. There is no virodha. Nirupasya kalasya iva. Chakshushadi jnana vishayatva api na virodha. So nirupasya kalasya chakshusha jnana means, in Tika he explains. अस्मिन् काले घटो नास्ति इति प्रतीति बलात् कालस्य इंद्रिय वेद्यत्वम्. अस्मिन् काले घटो नास्ति. Right now घट is not there. इति प्रतीति बलात्, by this pratiti, कालस्य इंद्रिय वेद्यत्वम् यथा स्वीकृतम्. So kala is इंद्रिय वेद्य. How? You just say अस्मिन् काले घटो अस्ति, अस्मिन् काले घटो नास्ति, etc. So वर्तमान काल प्रयोग you are doing. स्वीकृतम् अध्वर मीमांसकैः. By this यज्ञ मीमांसक पूर्व मीमांसकैः. तथा तद अनन्यथा सिद्ध प्रतीति बलात् ब्रह्मणः चाक्षुषत्वम् अस्माभिः अपि अंगीक्रियते. So in the same way ananyatha siddha pratiti balat. Ananyatha siddha means it is not anyatha siddha. So then you say yes. How else ghata has sun? You will explain. Just as kala asmin kale ghato nasti. Or atra ghato asti. Asti means vartamana kala prayoga you are already doing. So kala bhanam is coming. In the same way, Brahma also ghato asti. That sad chakshusha jnanam is happening. Brahmana chakshushatvam asmabhihi api angikriyate. Tatha cha Brahma vyatirikta chakshusha चाक्षुषादि ब्रह्म व्यतिरिक्त चाक्षुषतायाम एव महत्वे सति उद्भूत रूपवत्वं प्रयोजकम् इति. चाक्षुषतायाम तय. So ब्रह्म व्यतिरिक्त, that which is other than Brahma, and it is a chakshusha pratyaksha. So in that what is required? Mahatve sati udbhuta rupavatvam. It should have mahatva udbhuta rupavatvam prayojaka. Brahma vyatirikta. For Brahma Udbhuta Rupavatvam is not there, still it is okay. Like how we showed for Kala, Rupa, etc. Iti bhava. Little bit is remaining, we can complete it now. Nanu evam tarhi akashe balaka iti pratiti balat akashasyapi chakshusata syat iti aruchehe aha. Then somebody says akashe balaka. Balaka means some pakshi called balaka pakshi. So then bhutale ghataha. So you are saying that ghato asti, so kala pratyaksha is happening. Ghata sun, so brahma pratyaksha is happening. Akashe balaka, akashe chakshusha pratyaksha you will have to accept. So then Siddhanti says, yeah, that I don't accept. Aruchehe aha yadva trividham sattvam paramarthikam vyavaharikam pratibhasikam. Sattva is three types. Paramarthika, Vyavaharika, Pratibhasikam cha. You already know this. Paramarthikam Sattvam Brahma. Paramarthika Sattva is of Brahma. Vyavaharikam Sattvam Akashadeha. Vyavaharik Sattva is of Akash. Pratibhasikam Sattvam Shukti Rajatadeha. So three are given. Paramarthika, Vyavaharika, Pratibhasika. Abhadyatvam is Lakshana for Paramarthikam. Vyavaharika Lakshana is Brahma Jnana
Itara Jnana Bhadyatvam.
Brahma Jnana Itara Jnana Abhadyatvam. Only Brahma Jnana Bhadyatvam. Brahma Jnana Itara Jnana Bhadyatvam. Pratibhasikam is Brahma Jnana Itara Jnana Bhadyatvam. Is Pratibhasik. Correct?
Yes, Swamiji.
ठीक है. पारमार्थिकत्व व्यावहारिकत्व प्रातिभासिकत्व भेदात् त्रिविध विषय भेदाद् अविरोध इत्याह. तथा च सत्व त्रैविध्ये सति. तथा च means when there are three types of sattva, then मूलम. तथा च घटः सन् इति प्रत्यक्षस्य व्यावहारिक सत्व विषयत्वेन प्रामाण्यम्. So now in that anumanam ghata mithyatva ghatah san iti pratyakshasya vyavaharika sattva vishayatvena pramanyam. So ghatah san, when you do pratyaksha, ghata is vyavaharika vishayatvena. Not paramarthika. In paramarthika sat, ghata is mithya. Pratyaksha is giving you Vyavaharik Ghata Jnana. Asmin Pakshecha Ghatader Brahmani Nishedho na Swarupena Kintu Paramarthikatvena Eva iti na Virodha. So in this Paksha, Ghatadehe Brahmani Swarupena na Nishedha. Means Ghatatvena or Vyavaharikatvena Nishedha is not there. Paramarthikatvena Ghata Atyanta Bhava. So then it will work. So now you are using two different sattas. Paramarthikatvena ghata bhava. Vyavaharikatvena ghatatvena ghato asti. Tika. Nanu asmin pakshe nisheda pratiyoginoho samanadhikaranyam siddhyati. In this paksha, between nisheda and pratiyogi, there samanadhikaranya siddhi happens. Means there where nisheda is, there itself pratiyogi is. Or samasattaka if you call, then vyavaharik ghata, then vyavaharik ghata nisheda. Vyavaharik ghata bhava. Samanadhikaranyam siddhyati. Nattu ghatadi mithyatva. Ghata mithyatva siddhi is not happening. Samanadhikaranyam siddhi means there where ghata is, there ghata abhava is. This is samanadhikaranyam between nisheda and pratiyogi. So, iti ashankyaha asmin iti. Asmin pakshe cha mithyatva lakshane in that mithyatva lakshana, you have to add this. Paramarthikattvavachinna pratiyogitakattvam atyantabhava visheshanam drashtavyam. Paramarthikattvavachinna pratiyogitakattvam. This visheshana you should add. Means, ayam pataha etat tantunishta पारमार्थिकत्वावच्छिन्न प्रतियोगिता का अत्यंताभाव प्रतियोगी. So, from the standpoint of Brahma, there is pata atyantabhava in tantu. Paramarthikatvena pata atyantabhava. Vyavaharikatvena pata is there. Visheshanam drashtavyam. Tika. Swarupena means vyavaharikatvena rupena. Swarupena ghata is there. तथा च एतत् पक्षे मिथ्यात्व लक्षणे इदं विशेषणं देयं. This विशेषण you should give. अस्मिन् इति. In this way now, मिथ्यात्व अनुमान उपादानम उपसंहरति. मिथ्यात्व अनुमान उपादानम is over. तस्माद् उपपन्नम मिथ्यात्व अनुमानम इति. Therefore, मिथ्यात्व अनुमानम is complete. इति अनुमान परिच्छेदः समाप्तः. So, अनुमान, all tika tippani, everything we saw, and it is complete. So this pratyaksha and anumanam, these two put together in Vedanta Paribhasha covers more than half of the text. And the remaining everything, how many more topics are there?
4.
How many? Anybody?
4, Swamiji.
6. 6 topics are there. Upamana, Shabda, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi, Vishaya and Prayojanam. All these 6 pramanas is pramana. Then Vishaya means prameya and prayojanam. So you have pramana, prameya, prayojana. 8 topics are there in total. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashyakritau Vande Bhagavantau Punaha Punaha Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.